You make cutting boards, charcuterie boards, and serving trays in all shapes and sizes. Don't get stuck making a bulky shop-made jig for every size and shape board to make your handles. Woodpeckers Handle Jig Plus lets you control the design. Now you can cut handles to any size, shape, or species of cutting board. Now, with just one jig, you can route handles into boards of any size or shape. Woodpeckers Handle Jig Plus can handle them all. The jig features two adjustable phenolic plates attached to a central beam. The plates quickly adjust laterally, giving you up to 7 inches or 180 millimeters for your handle width. Flip it over and you'll find slotted aluminum tracks with stops reaching up to 5 inches or 130 millimeters for handle length. With your design dimensions locked in, simply align the centerline indicator to the center of your handle and clamp the jig to your workpiece using the front or side tracks. And get routing. Now you have a jig that can route recessed handles in any board. Small, large, square, or nearly any shape. With the Handle Jig Plus, you can use any router that has a template guide bushing attachment. And you can use any router bit that meets your design. Ultra Shear's deep reach bowl bits clear out waste quickly while leaving a glass smooth sidewall and bottom. The Handle Jig Plus is just one of many tools that Woodpeckers makes to help you make top quality cutting boards, like our benchtop board mill and our juice groove bits. Like all Woodpeckers products, each Handle Jig Plus is expertly machined and thoroughly inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. You put a lot of thought and care into your cutting board designs. Get a jig that can handle them all. Order your Woodpeckers Handle Jig Plus today.